With ChildFriendly, syncing your financial records has never been easier. Seamlessly sync all your family's billings, payments, and deposit groups over to QuickBooks in just a click, making your accounting a breeze. Any changes made in ChildFriendly since the last sync will be reflected in QuickBooks. Our system ensures that previously synced transactions remain identical. Don't use QuickBooks? No problem. You can easily export all your transactions from our Reports module into a CSV format. This allows you to access the information you need for an easy import into your preferred accounting software. Additionally, our platform offers a custom reports feature. Whether you need specific financial insights or tailored analytics, our developers can create a custom report to match your exact requirements. Streamline your accounting processes with ChildFriendly today.